At Sensequake, we develop leading sensing-based solutions for structural monitoring and investigations to make cities smarter and safer. We use our three distinct technologies to offer state-of-the-art solutions. The Sensequake Larze rapid monitoring system for conducting our patented data-driven integrity and seismic evaluations. The Sensequake ShakeZone cloud-based vibration monitoring platform, and the AI-driven health monitoring and seismic instrumentation technology, ShakeLog. Our structural analysis solution begins with an ambient vibration test of your structure. The test is non-destructive and is performed on-site in a few hours, without the need to halt building activity, install permanent equipment, or excite the structure. Our Larze sensors are wireless and battery operated, enabling them to be rapidly set up on the floor of the structure or installed for weeks on end for long-term vibration monitoring. Multiple sensors are connected wirelessly together to obtain multiple data points and get a clear picture of the dynamic properties of the structure. Once set up, the sensors are easily controlled directly from our smartphone application. Once imported into our analysis software, 3D SAM, the raw data along with a basic geometric model of the structure can be analyzed to find the resonance frequencies, mode shapes, and damping ratios based on real sensing data. This analysis acts as a baseline that can be returned to pick up any changes in the structure, to find hidden defects or integrity concerns. And for the first time, seismic assessments based directly on the sensing test can be conducted in order to perform time history analyses for any amount of seismic events. ShakeLog uses highly sensitive sensors connected to the cloud server for real-time monitoring. The web-based platform monitors data 24/7, and advanced algorithms spot changes in the structural behavior to detect damages. Advanced seismic analyses can also be performed in real time using Sensequake's patented methodology. We are working very hard to develop the most cutting-edge vibration sensing technologies in order for you to get the most from your structures, and we look forward to helping you in your next project.